Welcome to this in-depth look at the DJI Mini 5 Pro, DJI's latest breakthrough in their renowned Mini series. Designed with a perfect blend of portability and high-performance capabilities, the Mini 5 Pro takes aerial photography and videography to new heights. Lightweight, yet packed with advanced features, this compact drone offers a unique solution for both amateur and professional content creators. From its top-tier 4K video capabilities to intelligent flight modes, the Mini 5 Pro promises to be a game-changer in the drone industry. One of the DJI Mini 5 Pro's standout features is its upgraded camera, which now supports 4K video capture at 30 frames per second, FPS, delivering ultra-clear visuals that make every frame a masterpiece. In addition to 4K recording, the Mini 5 Pro also supports 1080p at 60 FPS, allowing for smooth, slow-motion footage. To ensure professional-grade footage, the Mini 5 Pro features a sophisticated 3-axis gimbal stabilization system. This cutting-edge technology maintains stability across pitch, roll, and yaw, neutralizing any potential shake or vibration even during high-speed flights or windy conditions. This makes the Mini 5 Pro perfect for action-packed moments, wildlife footage, or dynamic sports scenes where maintaining a steady frame is essential. Flying a drone in challenging environments requires enhanced safety features, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro delivers on this front with its advanced obstacle avoidance system. Equipped with front and rear sensors, the Mini 5 Pro detects and avoids obstacles in its path, making it a more user-friendly option for beginners and experts alike. With a single battery charge, the drone can stay in the air for up to 30 minutes, giving users ample time to capture extensive footage without interruption. Its transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, around 6.2 miles, allows you to explore broader landscapes while maintaining full control. Weighing just under 249 grams, the Mini 5 Pro is designed to be compact and portable. Its dimensions of 138 by 89 by 57 millimeters, when folded, make it easy to transport, fitting into small bags or backpacks with ease. The Mini 5 Pro's lightweight design means it's suitable for travelers, adventure seekers, and anyone looking to capture breathtaking scenes without the bulk of a larger drone. Pricing may vary depending on regions and available bundles, but DJI ensures that each package offers incredible value. With competitive pricing relative to its feature set, the Mini 5 Pro is an accessible choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike, providing a well-rounded package that balances quality, portability, and performance. DJI Mini 5 Pro stands out as a compact powerhouse in the drone market, offering a premium experience in aerial photography and videography. Its advanced camera capabilities, intelligent flight modes, robust safety features, and portability make it an excellent choice for users of all skill levels. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe,